Hello children, today we are going to discuss the sun and shadow from EVS book of class 2. Children, all of you are very familiar with the sun. The sun is a very large hot ball of fire. It is made up of very hot and glowing gases. It is so bright that we find it difficult to look at it. The sun is an ordinary star, but why does it appear special to us? The reason is the sun is big because it is very close to the earth. The sun gives light and energy. When the sun shines, the days are warm and bright. At night, when there is no sun, it is dark and cold. The sun helps plants to release the oxygen which we breathe. You know how? When plants make their food with the help of sunlight, plants liberate oxygen gas which is required for breathing. The sun is the nearest star to the earth, and because of sun, formation of clouds takes place and rain occurs. Heavenly bodies revolving around the sun are called planets. There are 8 planets around the sun. The sun, along with 8 planets revolving around the sun, is called the solar system. So, we can say there are total 8 planets and member of the solar system. Planets and satellites look very shining. How? But they have no light, but they appear bright and shining because of the sunlight. Children, let us see now how the shadows are formed. All of you must have observed some shadows around you. It could be shadow of yours or shadow of any object like trees, chairs around you. Actually, what happens when an object comes in between the path of light, the shadow is formed. We know that the earth is spherical in shape. When sun emits lights, it falls on one portion of the earth, and that is called the day. At the same time, the half portion of the earth do not receive the sunlight. This is called night. The earth rotates about its own axis continuously, hence day and nights are formed continuously. The earth completes one rotation on in 24 hours, and duration of day and night are thus 24 hours. Now let us discuss the 4 major directions around us. Children, there are 4 major directions, namely north, east, west and south. You know, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. If you are facing the sun in the morning, the direction in your front of you is east. The direction behind you is west. The direction in your left is north and right is south. Children, do you know what is an eclipse and how is it formed? You must have heard the word eclipse from your elders. Eclipse is actually the shadow of sunlight. The earth comes in between the moon and the sun. Shadow is formed by the earth on moon. This is called lunar eclipse. When the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, shadow is formed by the moon on the surface of the earth. This is called solar eclipse. So children, this is all about our topic sun and shadow. So, how did you find it? Quite interesting, na? Okay, now let us see how far you have learned. Now, let us discuss some questions. Our question number 1 is, the sun gives us heat and dash. And the options are food, light, night. Second question is, The sun is a ball of burning dash. Coal, hot gases, none. Third question is, the nearest star to us is the moon, the sun, the Jupiter. Our fourth question is, sun looks small because it is dash. Small, very far away from us, none. Question number 5 is, there are dash planets in our solar system. 7, 8, 10. That's all for today, kids. But remember, Corona time is going on still. So, to avoid from Corona, always wear a face mask. Keep washing hands repeatedly with soap and water, and avoid crowded places and maintain social distancing. So, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.